All right. So at-tabi'a is something that follows. That follows. What does it follow? It follows the Arab of the noun before it. Okay. So naat, tawkid, atf, and badal. These are the four scenarios or four tawabi'. Okay. तो जो क्या करेंगे? They will follow the Arab of the noun before it. Okay. They will share the Arab. Ismul musharak. They will share the Arab. So this is again that we will be studying right now. Okay. So पहला केस यहाँ पे नात का है. So what is नात? Naat would be, what is naat? Naat would be the adjective, right? That will qualify a noun. So if we have an example in marfu scenario, hadara, this is the question. Hadara means to be present or to attend. Hadara at-talibu al-jadid. Was hadara, was the new student present. So talib is the man'ut and jadidu is the naat. So jadid gets its arab from talib. Okay? So marfu scenario, we know this already. Mansoob scenario में الطالبة الجديدة. So جديدة is getting its arab from طالب. مجرور الجديدي it's getting its arab from هذا دفتر الطالب الجديد. ठीक है? We know this, right? So far so good. Then we have, so नात हो गया. ठीक है? Then we have तौकीद. What is तौकीद? That is used for emphasis. ठीक है? It is used for emphasis. So if we check it out, a tawkid. So for example, if we have marfu scenario, حضر الطلاب كلهم. So حضر الطلاب means students were present. है ना? حضر الطلاب, students were present. كلهم, all of them. सब के सब. So كلهم here is, what is it? It's tawkid. It's giving us emphasis कि सब के सब present थे. ठीक है? So it is a tawkid. तो इसका आराब भी कुल्लुहुम क्या होगा? तुल्लाब का ही होगा. इट इज अ तवाब है, जिस तरीके से नात का हुआ था. ठीक है? इसका खुद का आराब नहीं होगा. मंसूब सिनेरियो, सअलतु, I asked at-tullab. I asked the students. कुल्लुहुम, I asked all of them. All of them कौन है? Student है ना? So I'm not going to say कुल्लुहुम, I'm going to say कुल्लुहुम. Why? Because this is the तवाब. ठीक है? तौकीद. So इसका भी आराब वही होगा जिसके ऊपर ये एम्फेसिस दे रहा है. ठीक है? तो इसका तुल्लाब मंसूब था, कुल्लहुम would be मंसूब. सल्लम तो अला तुल्लाब, I said सलाम अलैकुम to students, कुल्लहुम, all of them. ठीक है? जिस तरीके से कुरान में ना कि हमने उनको कहा सजदा करो फरिश्तों को, इस जुदू, सो सबने सजदा किया एक्सेप्ट सिवाय एक के. सो लाइक दैट. कुल्लिहिम, व्हाई इज इट कुल्लिहिम? यू नो से कुल्लुहुम, कुल्लुहुम, नो, कुल्लिहिम बिकॉज इट इज emphasizing तुल्लाब. तो मैंने सबके सब स्टूडेंट्स को सलाम की. Here is another example that Dr. Abdul Rahim is giving us. He's saying, "Qala li haza al-mudiru nafsuhu." So qala li, I said. Qala, he said to me. Who is the file here? Hazal mudir. So this principal said to me. Okay, this is the file. Hazal mudir marfu of the verb qala. He said to me. नफ्सुहु, he said to me by himself. It's giving to कि खुद कहा उसने मुझसे, है ना? वही वैसे खुद कहा उसने. खुद कहा means it is giving us an emphasis on this person. So here it's again tawkid, so it will have the same arab as the thing that it is emphasizing. Saltu al mudira, I asked the principal himself, nafsahu, right? खुद से. So again following it. Sallamtu al mudiri nafsihi, right? So it is the tawkid. Again, you have to remember there are four scenarios जहाँ पे Arab will be followed. Naat, we studied it already. Tawkid is another way जहाँ पे emphasis हो. So if you have such scenarios, we'll check in more sentences when we do the Arab of the Quran. But you remember it, keep in mind that tawkid is for the emphasis और उसका आराब वही होगा. ये काम इसका कुछ नहीं होता, emphasis देना होता है. ठीक है? और इसका आराब कहाँ से लाए? ये मरफू नहीं होगा. मरफू is default, but you don't put marfu, it will be following the arab of the thing that it is emphasizing. Then we have the third scenario here, wherein that's known as atf. Atf would be to connect, right? But the atf can, like we have wa. It can be atf, it can connect two sentences, two words, two paragraphs. So for example, we have marfu scenario here. So we have kharaja hamidun wa sadiquhu. So wa is an atf here. So Hamid and his friend left. So Hamid is marfu, ठीक है, and is it's doing atf for Hamid, so this will again be marfu, sadiquhu, right? Another scenario we have mansub. For example, if it is mansub and there is an atf between a mansub, so it is we have talaba. Talaba means to seek, talab karna. Al mudiru. So he asked for, the principal asked for, बुलाना, जिसको हम बोलेंगे to seek for, उसने बुलाया, किसको बुलाया, हामिदन, हामिद को बुलाया, व सदीक़हु and his friend. So Hamid and Sadiq is an atf, this and this. So wa will be atf, जहाँ पे atf हो, it will be mansub, it will be the tawabi', it will, it's का, we will not say, see, in this first one अभी तक हम जैसे करते थे, वो would say सदीक़हु भी फाइल है, हामिद भी फाइल है, इसको समझ सकते हो ऐसे, but in grammatical sense you're not going to do both are file, you're going to say that this will be the atf on it. So इसके ऊपर atf हो जाएगा, तो obviously ये follow हो जाएगा, वाह वाह वाह. इसी तरीके से इसके ऊपर we will not say both of them are maf'ulun bihi, although technically both of them are maf'ulun bihi, but grammatically we're going to say this is maf'ulun bihi and this is the atf on it, ठीक है? That's the reason why this will be mansub. Otherwise, technically both are maf'ulun bihi, that's the reason why. But grammatical rule is when there is an vaw coming, if there's an atf, so you're going to say this is following it. They will say that Hamid is the maf'ulun bihi, wa sadiquhu is the atf. That's how grammarians will define it. Aina kutubu Hamidin wa sadiqihi. Where are the books of Hamid and his friends? So ये भी मफूलन बिही, sorry, ये भी मुदाफ इलैह है, ये भी मुदाफ इलैह है, but we're going to put it like this. We're going to say this is मफूल मुदाफ इलैह majroor and this will be the atf on it. That's the reason why this is majroor. ठीक है? So three scenarios अभी तक. Naat, these are the tawabi'. Naat, then we have the second one tawqid for the emphasis, और तीसरी चीज atf, जहाँ पे borrowed आराब होगी, खुद की आराब नहीं होगी. यानी कि grammarians will tell you that sadiquhu does not have आराब of its own, it takes it from here. sadiqahu does not have fatha on its own, it takes from here. ठीक है, इसका आराब यहाँ से लेता है, and so on and so forth. Then we have the badal. Badal would be the substitute. Substitute, we have done it so far. This is very easy as well. Najaha akhuka Hashim. So it's not ya Hashim. अगर ये ya Hashim होता तो उसको question होता. So it is brother Hashim, your brother Hashim, उसका नाम है. So this is the badal of it. So both are marfu. Like we have Professor ABC, like Dr. Hamid, like that. So they are the badal. So जो डॉक्टर की आराब होगी वही हामिद की भी होगी. So we have Arafa Ya'arifu. So Arafa Akhwaka. I know your brother Hashim. Your brother Hashim. So this is the badal. So Arab will be the same mansub. And the same case where Aina Gurfatu Akhika. Where is the room of your brother Hashim? So Akhika Hashim badal. ठीक है. So the same thing. Aina Gurfatu Haza Talib. So even here, this would be considered as badal. Haza Talibu. So in grammarians they say that this is also badal. This was actually इस तरीके से अखू का था. It was a najha haza. Najha. I'm just coming. A najha haza. Did a najha haza. Haza talib. So they say that najha means he passed. Did he pass? So you know, so did he pass? This is the file. Did this student pass? So they said this is also haza, and this is actually our maf'ulun bi. This is our file, and yes, ka badal. That's how grammarians say it. Define it like this. So badal would be the substitute, right? So akhuka, you have hashimun. You have akhaka hashimun. So this is the badal here. Akhika hashimun. This will be the badal. And here in this one, जहाँ पर ऐसा scenario कहीं पे आए, जैसे वैसे हाजा अल किताबु, ठीक है, हाजा अल किताबु जदीदुन, ठीक है. So grammarians अभी चीज अभी से याद रखना, and we're going to use this terminology. So हम इसको मुब्तदा करते थे ना अभी तक, कैसे मुब्तदा यानी खबर थी, और ये हाजा इसम इशारा था. तो अब हम करेंगे हाजा मुब्तदा है और ये इसका बदल है, ठीक है. ये मुब्तदा है, ये बदल है, पूरा ही मुब्तदा है और ये खबर है. इज फ्यू टेक्निकल टर्म्स, बाकी वही है जो हमने अभी तक पढ़ा है. नो रॉकेट साइंस. सो दैट वाज अबाउट अस्मा. अभी तक हमने नाउन सारे के सारे पढ़ चुके हैं हम. अब वी विल बी स्टडिंग वर्ब्स. मतलब मरफू, मजरूर, मंसूब, मबनी, ये सारी की चीज़ें जो हमने अभी इस्म्स में पढ़ी, वो हम वही चीज़ हम verbs के अंदर पढ़ेंगे, fil अफ़आल. So he's saying al mu'arrab wal mabni fil afal. अब हम देखते हैं मुअर्रब और मबनी verbs के अंदर. A very important sentence. This is al fi'lu madi wal fi'lu amr mabniyan. They are mabni. They don't change. And but fi'l mudari it's mu'arrab. ठीक है. إلا إذا اتصلت به نون النسوة. Except for نون النسوة. ठीक है. We know that fi'l mudari is divided into three parts. Five in your pocket. एंड सेकंड इज अल अस्मा अल अफाल वल खमसा, जिसमें नून आता है और नून जाता है. और थर्ड सिनेरियो इज जहाँ पे विच इज द फेमिनाइन वन, वो मबनी है. ठीक है. यही हमें बोल रहे हैं कि वो सिर्फ मबनी है, बाकी उसके अलावा फिल मुतारिया जो है वो मुर्रब है. और अम्र और मादी जो है वो क्या है, दैट इज मबनी. वो फिक्स्ड है, वो चेंज नहीं होता. सो नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल, so he's giving us an example here. He's saying afahimu, sorry, it's not afahimu, it's afhamu. afhamu afhamu hadha dars. ठीक है. afhamu hadha dars. I understand this lesson. So this is marfu, we know that. uridu an afhama hadha dars. I want that I understand this lesson. So this is mansub. ठीक है. यानी कि फिल मुदारिया is changing. lam afham hadha dars. I do not understand. lam afham, I did not understand the lesson. ठीक है. So यहाँ पे क्या आ गया, मजजूम. So fi'l mudari can be marfu, mansoob and majzoom, but it can never be majroor. So this is not mabni, fi'l mudari. Alamatul arabul asli. अब इसमें भी alamatul asli और नकली हो गया, फरिया and this. so alamatul arab fi'l mudari salas. So we have three arabs there. Ad-damma, alamatul raf, fatha alamatul nasb and sukun alamatul jazb. अस्मा में क्या था, अद्दम्मा थी वहां पे, अलामतुर रफ, अल फतहा थी, अलामतुन नस्ब, और वहां पे अल कसरा थी. लेकिन यहाँ पे कसरा नहीं है और वहां पे सुकून नहीं है. ठीक है. तो वहां पे अल कसरा थी, अलामतुल जर, यहाँ पे सुकून है, अलामतुल जज्म. सो ये डिफरेंट है, ये डिफरेंस है दोनों के अंदर. यानी कि जो वर्ब होगा वो कभी मजरूर नहीं होगा, और जो इसम है वो कभी मजजूम नहीं होगा. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर इट. ओके, फॉलोइंग फर्दर. وهناك علامة أخرى. أخرى means another. أخرى because this is feminine, so we'll use أخرى. Otherwise अगर masculine होता we'll use آخر. وهناك علامة أخرى فرعية, and there are another symbols or alamats of فرعية, secondary declension. وهي في أنواع الآتية, and they are أنواع, نوع, أنواع, kinds, following kinds from the verbs, and they are from the following kinds of the verbs. So we have the alamatul far'iyya now. ये असलिया थी यहाँ पे. We know that this is असलिया. दमा फता सुकून, वहाँ पे क्या था, दमा फता कसरा असलिया. ये तो या तो खुद से आएंगी या मुकद्दर आएंगी, या जाहिरा मुकद्दर. इनके अलावा फरइया कभी मुकद्दरा नहीं होती. So we have the first one here, first scenario wherein we have alamatul far'iyya min al af'al. So the first one is al af'al al khamsa. Al khamsa वही जो verbs के अंदर af'al khamsa होते हैं, नून आता है, नून जाता है. So alamatul rafiha subuti noon, we know this, right? Wa alamatul nasb wal jazm hasf noon, very important. So we have taf'aluna. Taf'aluna will be मरफू सबूत नून. अगर इसको मजजूम और मंसूब करना हो, हज़्फ़ नून. यही बता रहे, सबूती नून. सो दिस इज अल अफ़अल खमसा. सो इज गिविंग अस एन एग्जांपल, अतुरीदून अन तज़हबू, डू यू वांट दैट यू गो. ठीक है. तो तुरीदू, तुरीदूना इज मरफू बिसबूती नून, पर तज़हबू इज मंसूब بحذف نون because of an. This is an al-masdariya. Then we have alam tadhhabi. So this is feminine. Lam tadhhabi. So this is tadhhabi. What's doing here? This is tadhhabina actually. Yeah? Tadhhabina. But we dropped it because we had to make it majzoom. إلى المدرسة. لم تذهبي إلى المدرسة. Did you not go to the school, Maryam? So majzoom and mansoob, we're going to do حذف نون in al-afal al-khamsa. So this is alamatul far'iyya. That's what he wants to say. We know this, but he's saying this is alamatul far'iyya because obviously alamatul asliya तो है नहीं है. दम्मा तो कसरा, दम्मा फतहा और सुकून तो है नहीं. But here it's saying that this is alamatul far'iyya here when you do hasf noon. Second one is a naqis. So this is another terminology of naqis. It's important here. Alamatul jazm fiha hasful akhira. So we know that masha. We have masha. Yamshi, right? Masha yamshi. And when we have to do the majzoom of it or mansoob of it, what we do is we drop this. Then we have lam yamshi, right? So this is again for iya. Lam yad'u, lam yansa. This is majzoom. We're talking jazm here. हाँ? जब मजजूम हो तब ये ड्रॉप होगा all scenarios में नसिया में भी everywhere in नाकिस it gets dropped in मजजूम बट मंसूब में कोई कहानी इसकी थोड़ी डिफरेंट है सबकी नहीं है we'll check that out. So we have इसमें भी हमारा वाला तकदीर आएगा. We'll study this tomorrow. हाँ? इसको हम डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे कल अच्छे से. But you just revise this so far till here. Alamatul far'iyya in verbs. And this is what all we studied today. We studied the marfu'at, marfu'at fil asma, mansubat fil asma, राइट कौन से अस्मा मरफू होते हैं कौन से अस्मा मंसूब होते हैं और कौन से मजरूर होते हैं 3 सिनेरियोज. उसके बाद वी स्टडी तवाबा those that follow the Arab, they don't have their own Arab, they borrow it from somewhere. उसमें सबसे पहले नात, second तौकीद, third was atf, and what is the fourth one? uh, we had the 4 ones, right? Atf, tawqid, and we had badal, right?
Badal.
Badal, right? And then we had verbs के तीन moods. We call it the moods of mudarya, because fail madi and amr would always be mabni. They're not going to change. But marfu will have 3 moods. That will be marfu, mansub, and majzum. It will never be majroor. तो उसके अंदर we studied that जो अलामतुल फरइया है, तो फरइया में सबसे पहले अलाफल खमसा है, हस्फुन नून एंड सबूत. हस्फुन नून नॉट सबूत नून. That when you do hasf of the noon, that is far'iyah. Yes, about the noon is again far'iyah, but I'm saying that when we have to make it nasb and when we have to jazm, we do the hasf noon. ठीक है? तब हम इसको break करते हैं. And when we have to make it marfu, we bring the noon back. So all of these would be considered as alamatu al far'iyah, secondary declension. And then we have a naqis, not mithal, not ajwaf, naqis. उनका वैसे ही है जैसे नॉर्मल था. तो इसमें क्या है हज़्फ़ु आखिरी ही, तो इसमें लास्ट, लेकिन जज्म की बात हो रही है. मंसूब क्या होगा वो हम कल देखेंगे इंशाल्लाह. वो तकदीरी होगी क्या होगी. तो ये इसमें इंपॉर्टेंट यहाँ पे है. ठीक है. लम यमशी लम यदुल लम यंसा. So we'll end the session and just revise all these and do the questions also. Huh? These are some basic exercises there and very important ones. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik wa nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum.